So students, on the basis of today's lecture or today's reading, you write 5 questions. Open your notebook. On the top you write chapter 7. Once again, chapter 7, name of the chapter, There Will Come Soft Rains, and you know the name of the author, Ray Bradbury. So question number 1. What was the first time announced in the house by the tick-tock watch or clock? What was the first time announced in the house by the tick-tock clock? Question 2. Why there was no sound of slamming the door? Why there was no sound of slamming the door? Question 3. What were the eatables served on the dining table? What were the eatables served on the dining table? Question number 5. Depict the process of cleaning the dining table and washing the crockery. Just now I read before you this dishwasher and one aluminium tray automatically clean the table. So you go through, once again you read, then you can answer the question. Depict the process of cleaning the dining table and washing the crockery. Question 5. What was the assignment of 10:15 when the clock announced, tick-tock clock, and it started singing 10:15? What was the assignment? Question number 6. What were the paintings depicting on wall in the mysterious house? What were the paintings depicting on wall in the mysterious house? Question 7. Why the dog ultimately reached the kitchen door? Why the dog ultimately reached the kitchen door? Question 8. What was preparing on the electric stove when the dog entered? What was preparing on the electric stove when the dog entered? Now question 9. How the dog died at the kitchen door? How the dog died at the kitchen door? Question 10. Give the synonym of delicately within single inverted comma. Give the synonym of delicately within single inverted comma. So students, these are the 10 questions. Answer is very simple. If you have gone through my reading and explanation means I have explained the paragraph, not line by line, but you could understand up to page 61 the content. What are the incidents took place from the beginning up to page 61, that means the death of the dog. So it will be easier for you to answer the questions and short answer type questions. Only this the depict the painting. What were the paintings depicting on the wall? Only maximum 3 lines. You will read the chapter, then you can find out the portion, that part, and you present in your own words. Don't use the bookish language, your own words. Try to answer the questions framed by yourself. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So, till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.